Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Khawar Ashraf, and today the topic of our presentation is cloud computing. So first of all, what is cloud computing? I will start from the basic definition. The cloud is basically renting something. So instead of maintaining or manufacturing the complete environment, we just rent it out. So the basic definition of cloud computing is computing as a service. Cloud computing is internet-based computing whereby shared resources, software, and information are provided to computer and other devices on demand like the electricity grid. So here is an example of electricity grid. The electricity grid provides the electricity to any device according to their needs. So in cloud computing, the data is given according and shared according to their needs. So here are cloud model and characteristics. So the first model is service model. In service model, infrastructure could be used as a service, platform used as a service, and the software is used as a service. In deployment model, there are basically four types. First is public cloud, the second one is private cloud, third one is hybrid cloud, and the fourth one is community cloud. So, and here are some characteristics. On-demand service provision, dynamic elasticity, resource pooling, layered services, and network provisioning. So in cloud deployment models, there are basically four types. The first one, public cloud, second one, private cloud, third one, community cloud, and the fourth one is hybrid cloud. So cloud computing deployment models starts with public clouds. Public cloud providers offer a range of services including computing power, storage, and databases accessible over the internet to anyone who wants to use them. Users can provision resources on demand and pay the only for what they use. For instance, a startup might use AWS to host its website and database, benefiting from scalability and cost effectiveness without investing in infrastructure. The examples are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform. The private second one is private cloud. The private cloud refers to cloud computing infrastructure dedicated to a single organization. Unlike public clouds, private clouds are not shared with any other users, so they offer greater control and they offer better customization and the best security. Private clouds can be hosted either on premises or by third-party provider and are often used by organizations with specific compliance, security, or performance requirements. Examples are VMware Cloud and OpenStack. The third one is community cloud. The community cloud is collaborative cloud computing environment shared by multiple organizations with similar interests such as regularity, compliance, or industry-specific requirements. Community clouds offer the benefits of shared infrastructure and resources while providing greater control, security, and customization compared to the private clouds. They are ideal for consortiums, industry groups, or government agencies with common concerns. So the examples are government clouds, the healthcare clouds. The fourth one is hybrid clouds, which combines the public and private environments, allowing data applications to be shared between them. Organizations can use hybrid cloud to leverage the scalability and the cost effectiveness of public cloud services while maintaining sensitive data and critical workloads on private infrastructure. Hybrid cloud offers flexibility, workload optimization, and seamless integration between different cloud environments. The examples are IBM Cloud, Cisco Hybrid Cloud. So, as you know, there are benefits and drawbacks of every system. So, I will first discuss the benefits of the public clouds. So, they are highly scalable and flexible according to the needs, cost effective, easy access to resources, pay per use, reduce upfront costs. So, as the user pays according to their needs, so the cost will be accordingly low. Global availability and accessibility, and there are some drawbacks as well. Potential security risks and data privacy concerns, limited control over infrastructure and services, dependency on internet connectivity, potential vendor lock-in, compliance challenges in certain industries. So the benefits of the public private clouds are enhanced security and compliance, greater control over infrastructure, customization according to the specific needs, reliable performance and uptime suitable for sensitive data and regulated industries. And the main drawbacks of the private clouds are higher initial setup and maintenance costs, limited scalability compared to the public cloud, requires dedicated IT expertise for management. Upgrades and updates may be time consuming, may lack the innovation and scale of the public cloud services. And the fourth one is hybrid cloud. And the key benefits are flexibility to optimize workload placement, scalability to meet fluctuating demand, redundancy and disaster recovery capabilities, ability to leverage both public and private cloud benefits, enhanced performance through workload distribution. And the drawbacks of the hybrid clouds are complexity in integrating and managing multiple environments, potential security and compliance risks at integration points, data synchronization, challenges between public and private clouds, requires robust network connectivity and infrastructure, increased management overhead compared to single cloud deployments. The last one is community clouds, and the benefits are shared cost among members, tailored services for specific communities, enhanced collaboration and resource sharing, strong focus on data and privacy and security, ideal for consumers or industries with common concerns. And the drawbacks of the community clouds are complexity in governance and management, dependency on collaboration among community members, challenges in balancing diverse needs and priorities, potential conflicts over resource allocation, limited scalability, and customization options. And now my colleague will discuss further. So over to him.
Hi everyone, this is Hassan Razat. So from here, I will take on the remaining presentation of our today on different types of cloud models. So as we have described earlier, like there are different types of cloud models, cloud computing models that are in place, and Howard has actually described them very effectively. So here is basically a summary of all those models. Here's the comparison in a chart form. Like we can see different factors on the left-hand side, like the initial setup, scalability and flexibility, cost comparison, reliability, data security, and data privacy. So, against all these factors, we have listed the relative points that have been associated with each color model. Like we can see, if we see the most important points from here, so the most important points are the scalability and flexibility, and it is really high in the public cloud, private, and hybrid cloud. But when we come to the cost comparison, the public cloud is the most cost effective, while the hybrid cloud is intermediate. While when we come upon the reliability, data security, and data privacy, uh, the hybrid cloud and the community cloud is offers much higher degree of all these factors as compared to the other ones. Uh, it is basically a wise decision to move with the hybrid cloud because it offers a range of different factors that are better in their standard, like better reliability, security, privacy, and cost related factors. So that is why we will move here with the hybrid cloud, and we will see how it can be used to promote any kind of business in an organization. So it is basically a combination of public and private cloud environments. So here we are going to look at Walmart as a company, as an organization who have deployed actually the hybrid cloud solution, combining Amazon Web Services and on-premises infrastructure to navigate through their business needs and promote their business. So here are some business advantages of the hybrid cloud that include the risk management, flexibility, scalability, the top of all factors, then the cost effectiveness, enhanced security, network performance, backup and disaster recovery is much faster, and more opportunities for innovation, agility, speed to market. These are all the top business reasons and advantages. That is why we are moving with the hybrid cloud in the case of Walmart type of organization. And when we see at the scalability, we see the Walmart can scale up resources up or down based upon their demand, because the Walmart is a retail, so its needs are basically seasonal. At some time of the year, their needs are much higher, using all these resources than other parts of the year. So they can easily scale up and down, and it will definitely cost effective to them. Then there's a much secure data security that is provided on the hybrid cloud and the maintenance of that data. And then in the case of disaster, of the loss of data, uh, the hybrid cloud offers much more reliability to recover that data with much more efficiency than if it was the private cloud. And then there's the flexibility, like Amazon, Walmart can choose where to deploy the workload based upon the performance, cost, and compliance requirements. Now, when we come here, we can summarize Walmart as the retail industry, and the challenges here is seasonal fluctuations in demand, so need for scalable and cost-effective infrastructure. So solution is implemented a hybrid solution combining AWS for the e-commerce platform on the premises servers for the backend operations. The result, it achieved 30% cost savings during the off-peak season, maintained high performance during peak periods, and improved agility in deploying new features. Okay, so what are now advancement in the hybrid cloud technology? Like if we are moving with the hybrid cloud, then we need to see all the horizons and the available options and the advantages that it offers in order to advance our business needs and the opportunities. So first of them is the automation. Like these technologies now are implemented with much more automation, and the scaling up or down resources is much more, automated rather than the manual intervention and human needs. And the other is containerization, that is basically adoption of container technologies like Docker and Kubernetes for portability and orchestration for the application across hybrid environments. And there's the third is the edge computing. Edge computing basically is the integration of edge computing with the hybrid cloud for processing data closer to the resource, reducing latency and improving performance for IoT and real-time applications. Now, what is the automation in this case? Basically, automated provisioning of virtual machines and containers based on predefined policies and workload environments, benefits faster deployment, reduced human errors, and improved resource utilization. Then, uh, when we come to the containerization, we know that. Uh, We know that the containerizing application using Docker, deploying them across the hybrid infrastructure and with the Kubernetes or orchestration. So we get better probability, scalability, efficient resource utilization. And in the case of edge computing, it is basically deploying edge computing nodes at the retail stores for the time analytics and inventory management, integrating with the hybrid cloud for centralized management. It reduces latency, improves reliability, and enhance user experience. So this is basically the future of cloud computing. So what is the future from 2025 to 2023, the next 5 years? It will enhance security focus, and it will definitely reduce down the price competition in the market in the retail setup. Then it will increase the regulation of all the retail market. Then there is a hybrid and multi-cloud adoption, and rise of edge computing and AI and machine learning integration. Now we are going to look on all these things by one. First is multi-cloud integration, which is increasing adoption of multiple public cloud provider with the hybrid environments for vendor diversification and workload optimization. That is basically, combining different type of providers, from public providers and private providers, and using them for best of our purposes. And then when we combine the AI learning and the machine learning together, then we get better analytics, better automation, and intelligent resource management. And there is the quantum computing, that is basically exploration of quantum computing's potential in a hybrid cloud for solving complex problems and enhancing computational capabilities. Now, when we come to the now conclusion, so we can conclude this presentation at the points that hybrid cloud offers business the flexibility, scalability, and security required to thrive in today's dynamic market landscape. Advancement in the hybrid cloud technology, including automation, containerization, and edge computing, are driving innovation and business transformation. And the last one is embracing hybrid cloud can empower business to unlock new opportunities, optimizing your operations and stay ahead of the competition. So, so we can say that by just employing this type of technology, hybrid cloud computing, any organization can tone down its uh, cost that is used to maintain and regulate its inventory and data, and it will definitely enhance the flexibility, and it will help them to lead the market, and it will help them to compete with their competitors in terms of regulations and competition. So these all are the benefits that a business organization can get by using the hybrid cloud technology. And in the our case study, we will definitely focus on a specific organization that has used this technology to boost its business adventures. Thank you very much. And if you would have any questions, let us know. And we are open to your questions. Thank you very much.